Ready to check out your new custom store? Go to the app and look at the menu on the left-hand side. Click on Custom Store and you'll find the same favorite items that you've always seen in the FourSight web store, but here you can simply type in the quantity you want and click Add to Cart without ever leaving the page. I'll get a few prototype boxes, blocks for every participant, and a set of posters to leave with the client. And when I'm ready to buy profiles, instead of having to buy them at $65 like everyone else, my custom store lets me buy at reseller rates for all the organizations I've ever created invitations for in the past. I can search for them by name, or if I see the one I want, I simply type the number of profiles I need. The store automatically calculates my client's price, my price, which is very discounted because I use so many. Then I need to select options. I'm going to pick the online version in English, and I need the PDF. From here on, the store works very much like any other store. It has billing addresses and shipping addresses, etc. But I want to point out some things that are different. Back on the profile purchase page, if the organization I need is not in my list, I can purchase in my unassigned category. To add the organization to my store, I click Assessment Admin, click Inventory, click New Organization. There I can type in the name of the new organization, save it, and return to the store. Now when I search, I find my brand new organization and order directly for them at business reseller rates. If you have organizations that qualify for educational or nonprofit rates, contact us and we'll make that happen.